Sliding, I think, is one of the most beneficial play events on a playground from a childhood development standpoint. If you think about it, really it gives kids the opportunity to feel like they're falling safely and to get this sense of spatial awareness. They really need to kind of plan when they're going to put their feet down to dismount the slide, where they're going to hold on to the sides of the slide. When we started the design of the Velo and the Velo XL, we wanted to create a sliding experience that was very fast out of the chute and gave kids, this opportunity to experience speed and a fast drop. When we design a play space, it's really important, whether it's sliding, it's climbing, it's other types of play, that we have multiple challenge levels, multiple risk levels to engage all the kids on the play space.
Once we had the Velo Slide, we wanted then to take that experience up another level, and we went to the Velo XL. We wanted to have a slide that was even steeper and faster. And once they have this sliding experience, they're going to want to continue to do it again and again. The inspiration for the Luge slide came from the Olympic event that it is named after.
And it has this very interesting design where it takes them out to the sides in kind of a banking turn and then brings them back together at the exit.
There's some steepness to it so that it's very exciting to get down the slide.
It gives them the opportunity to slide together, to race each other, and from a competitive standpoint. The most unique feature of the Luge is this ability to come out of a single platform opening with multiple slides, multiple kids, and then have a tactile experience in the center of the slide. And if there aren't kids sliding, one of them can climb up the center and get back to the top of the slide. Burke's all new slides. This is play that moves me.